Welcome to the live bench evaluation of Renesas CN268 IEEE 1588 solution. This kit is a versatile platform designed for the development and testing of IEEE 1588 Precision Time Protocol (PTP) solutions. This development kit features a high-performance MPU and a precision timing clock IC. It utilizes Renesas' advanced clock recovery algorithms to generate accurate synchronization signals for network applications. The kit also includes an optimized power system and supports telecom profiles such as 8275.1, 8265.1, and more. The kit supports PTP v2 IEEE 1588 2008, delivering sub-microsecond clock synchronization for a range of applications, including 5G networks, telecommunications, industrial automation, and power distribution systems. It is ideal for use in 5G 8AU, BBU, small cells, core and access IP switches, routers, synchronous Ethernet equipment, and high-precision clock systems leveraging IEEE 1588. This setup includes two IEEE 1588 development kits, one configured as the master and the other as the slave. A power supply to provide power to both boards, and an oscilloscope to accurately measure the time synchronization between the master and slave boards. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation. And this section on the right displays the evaluation output. Wait until both the master and slave boards complete their configuration. By default, the slave board automatically starts the Precision Time Protocol (PTP) upon configuration and begins synchronizing with the master board. To manually stop the PTP on the slave board, use this button. To manually start the PTP on the slave board, use the same button. The slave terminal is displayed in this container, allowing you to monitor the line-by-line processing taking place on the slave board. The waveforms from both the master and slave are captured directly from the physical oscilloscope and displayed here, illustrating the synchronization timing between them at various frequency settings, updated every second. The time offset between the master and slave can be visualized here across different clock frequencies. See the simulation in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. The progress log window provides information and logging on all live bench activities. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process, helping you navigate every feature with ease. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the datasheets. The user manual and other additional information can be accessed from the hamburger icon here. Curious about other live bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!